Hello everybody, today we are going to be looking at how to prepare a YouTube Shorts video using Invideo AI. So we are here on our creating screen. What we are going to do is, we are going to find the workflows bar and choose YouTube Shorts option. Here you're gonna enter a prompt here. Let's say, how to write a longboard for beginners. And then you're going to choose some extra options here, such as the voice, let's say a female, whether you want to add subtitles or not, etc, etc. And then click on continue. Here our prompt is ready and we are going to click on generate a video. It might take a while, it's no problem. And after the video is created, you are going to choose some extra options to give some extra details to your video, like the audience, look and feel, and platform. And click on continue. This part might also take a while. It's no problem as well.
Welcome to the world of longboarding.
And there you go. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.